Lobas muna ako ng hotel kasi kailangan namin ni mama ng adapter para doon sa charger kasi lobat na yung mga phone namin. Mamaya may lakad pa kami. So tinanong ko doon sa may hotel staff kung saan makakabili ng adapter. Dito ako tinuro sa may Little India. Store siya ng mga Indian. So kaya pala Little India yung train station na malapit dito. Talagang mostly ng mga tao na nakatira dito is mga Indian. Andito ako ngayon. Grabe para kang nasa India na rin. Nasa Singapore tayo ngayon pero para tayo nasa India. Ayun no? Nakakatawa, makulay sila no? Ano para saan kaya itong mga ganito nila? Ayan yung kanilang mga damit dito. Ganda Para tayong nasa India, di ba? So, dalawang country na yung napuntahan natin ngayon, Singapore saka India. Puro Indian store naman dito. Parang city siya ng India. Ayan, nandito ako ngayon sa isang Indian store. And ayun, parang meron sila nung adapter na hinahanap ko. How much? $3.
Check money muna.
Okay. So $3 daw itong isang adapter na to. So nasa 130 pesos. Mga ganun. Okay, $3.
Lang po check money muna. Dito? Check.
Check, okay. Thank you. Ayan, check daw muna nila bago ibigay sa atin.
Adapter दरकार ना? अरे?
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Ayun, nakabili na tayo ng adapter. So makakapag-charge na kami ni mama. Balik na agad ako sa hotel kasi awa naman si mama, medyo masama pakiramdam. Para masamahan ko rin siya doon. Ayan, total may mga bilihan ng prutas dito. Bili na rin ako ng prutas para kay mama. Orange. Ayun. Ba, may atis din dito Mahal, ito na yung nahanap mo. May atis dito. Tapos ano to? Gooseberry daw. First time ko makakita niyan May langka sila. Ito ano to? Green apple. Tapos ito pomegranate. Ito pala yun. Anong gusto mong prutas?
Yung ano lang, pongkan.
Pongkan?
Oo.
Uy, may bayabas din sila No, may bayabas din sila How much is this? $2?
$5.80.
Okay. How much all?
$5.80.
$5.80. Thank you. Thank you. Nakabili na ako ng orange para kay mama. Balik na ako doon. Kalalabas lang namin ng hotel ni mama. And dahil meron kami ngayong tour na bus, the Big Bus Night Tour. Ayan. Punta muna kami sa may Santec. Ayan, nandito kami ni Mama sa bus station. Ayan, sasakay kami ng bus papunta dun sa Santec kung saan dun yung departure area nung night bus tour namin ngayon. Ayan, 5:28. So kailangan before 6:15 nandun na kami kasi 6:15 kasi yung start ng bus night tour. Sabi naman dito, mga 7 minutes darating na yung bus na sasakyan namin. Kaya siguro abot naman. Sa mga mag-travel din dito sa Singapore, try nyo yung City Mapper app. Magandang gamitin nyo kapag mag-iikot-ikot kayo dito sa Singapore. Kasi madali siyang gamitin. Okay. Tap mo ma, tap mo. Okay.
Ito?
Ito. Let's go. This one. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Nasakay na kami ni Mama. Papunta kami ng Santec ngayon.
Before, right?
Yes.
Go out and turn right. The buses are there. There will be a night tour.
Thank you so much. Ayan, nahawak na natin yung ticket natin ng Singapore Night Tour. Ayan, Big Bus Night Tour tayo. Ayan, buti nakaabot kami kasi 6:15 yun. 5:55 na. Ayun. Right, ma. Dito. Ito, ma. Dito. Baka ito yung pila. Ala ko hindi kami makakasakay eh. Ayan yung sasakyan namin para sa night bus night tour.
Hello,
Hi.
hi.
Good afternoon.
There you go.
Thank you.
Can you help me where? Wait, the sticker is behind you.
A big bus tour. Ayan, pasakay na kami ng bus. Ayan, nakit na kami ni Mama sa bus.
You're on bus 55, yeah? 55.
55. Ang dami yung bus natin, ma. Kasi baka may ano eh. May, 55. May stopover tayo eh. Ayan, nakita tayo. Wow. Dito tayo mga pangatlo. Para kita natin. Gusto mo dyan sa ano, gilid? Okay ka dyan? Hindi ka kinakabahan dyan? Ha? Bababa lang, no? Yan. Dito tayo pwesto.
Usually you just want to sit and enjoy the lights. There's Captain Lim is going to be with us throughout this evening. Can you hear me from the back, yeah? Alright, thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please sit tight and hold tight. Captain? Yep, let's move on. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the itinerary for today. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the Marina Barrage. That's a dam that we have built to create Singapore's reservoir number 15. We
Ayan, first stop namin dito sa Marina Barrage. So, mga 35 minutes lang kami rito. Tapos, alam niyo ba, ito yung isa sa mga sikat na place kung saan pwede mag-picnic and magpalipad ng mga saranggola.
And this place was created with the construction of the barrage right over there. We try not to call it a dam because this is like a double-sided dam, so it's called the barrage. And as well as the farmhouse in this building. This whole place was officially completed at the end of October in 2008. The question you might ask is why? Well, where we are now used to be the sea, yeah? Alright, Captain, please stop around here. Thank you very much. Alright, see Mr. Singh waving at us. I wanted to wave back at him, yeah? Who's waving? Oh, there.
Oh, hi.
The Raffles Hotel. You remember seeing a photograph with that? You know, this area right here is the main entrance. In the past, this was beach fronting, obviously. Hey, it looks like four Chelseas. Designed this to look like the tip of two microphones. Because
Two microphones.
Yeah, the microphones in both theaters and concert halls. Hopefully, when members of the public look at it from afar, they remind them of the performing arts. Of course, after it's completed, everybody has got different ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, please bring on your cameras once again. Please go to there. Captain, please go down a little bit.
Ganda niyan.
On your left,
Ama.
this is Marina Bay Sands. Right in front there, this is of course our Merlion. Hello, Lion. Boy, the fish.
Ayan ay Merlion. Ayan ay sikat na Merlion. Oh.
Layo
Punta tayo dyan. Sa isang araw. Ayan, oh. Yung sikat na Merlion. Dito sa Singapore. Punta tayo sa isang araw. Naman dahil
And
pupunta,
why is
no?
the Merlion sprouting water? Because water to the Chinese represents money, wealth, and prosperity. So they represent our desire for overflowing wealth and prosperity for little
Di ba meron din sa Japan yan?
Wala.
Alright,
Walang.
ladies and gentlemen, so right now this is a Fullerton Hotel. Also, it's always the Fullerton Hotel. This used to be our own central police office. That's why it's also something. 7:45, yeah? It's getting very tight. So pack your food, bring up the bus, not bring up the bus.
Ayan, dito na tayo sa
And you just keep it downstairs.
La Posat.
Right,
So, dito tayo magdi-dinner ngayon.
where would the bus be?
La Posat.
Is where you bought the bus again. Alright, so
Pabalik tayo dito ng 7:45.
you need to be back and seated on the bus. The bus captain will start to open the door 10 minutes before time. So 7:35, we'll open the door. Okay? And for those of you,
Try naman.
captain has just parked the bus here, so it's going to be now, for those of you planning to do satay sampling, present for everyone, and then we'll move in together. Okay? For sampling? Alright, let's go.
Yo, let's go! Ayan,
Ayan, so dito kami nag-stop over. Parang barbecuean sa kanila to eh. And isa sa mga sikat na barbecue nila rito yung tinatawag na satay. And ayun, yung papatikim daw sa amin yun. Kasama na yun sa binayaran namin.
These are the chicken satay. This is satay sauce. It contains peanuts. So if you're allergic to peanuts, once again, please do not touch it. Yep. These are seasoned with garlic and onions. Now, your entitlement is 2 sticks each. If there's any extras after that, which I'm sure there will be, you're free to help yourself to it. Alright, but I only have one rule this evening on satay sampling. That is no double dipping. What I mean by double dipping is you're free to dip as many times as you want, but once it goes into your mouth, please do not stick it back into the sauce. Yeah? I seek your understanding. Alright? Okay, I'm going to leave it here. Excuse me. Alright, your skewers, then put it on the tray. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And if there's any of you that want to buy satay after this,
Try natin yung satay. Free taste to ng satay. Ayan.
I'm very sure there's going to be extras. So, whatever there's left, after everyone is
Ito yung free taste ng satay, ha? Ayan, tikman natin. Si Mama ayaw kasi medyo masama pakiramdam niya pa rin ngayon. Saka yung tiyan niya. Kahit tumanggap ng pagkain eh. Kain na lang. Legit na legit. Dati na ako nakatikim ng satay. Pero hindi ganito kasarap. Sarap. Tikman mo lang. Grabe. Legit na satay. Pati yung sauce niya. Ayan, tayo nakakain nung kay Mama. Kanin na lang ulam eh. Ay, kanin na lang ulam. Sarap. Pero tingin pa tayo dun. Pakapay tayo ng ano. Pakatry pa ng iba. Ayan, tingin pa tayo ng iba pa natin pwedeng makain dito. Puro mga satay din sila oh. Meron ding squid, meron ding mga hipon. Yung sauce yung lalong nagpapasarap. Dito sa loob marami pang mabibilan. Kaya lang hindi na tayo pwedeng pumila rito kasi matatagalan tayo sa oras eh. Baka maiwan tayo ng bus. Ayun, sabi kasi kapag hindi tayo nakaabot sa oras, baka iwan tayo ng bus. Ayan, bibili na lang siguro ako ng drinks saka konti pang mga satay. Try ko yung ibang satay nila. Ayan, bili muna ako ng drinks dito kasi mukhang masarap yung drinks na nakita ko rito eh. Lime juice. And ice lime juice. Ayan, yan yung ice lime juice. Thank you.
Ano mo sa babae kung
Sarap ng lime juice.
paano
Asin.
tayo makakapag...
Saan yung posible?
Ha?
Yan, bumili tayo ng squid. Squid satay.
$6.
$6, sorry. $6 daw yung squid. Thank you. At kaya natin yung squid. Mabilisan lang kasi meron na lang tayong 8 minutes. Sarap. Malambot. Isang kagat ko lang.
Kano?
$6. Ayan. Ayan, di bali sa next stop namin dito nga sa Garden Rhapsody, dito sa Garden by the Bay. And ito yung isa sa mga sikat na pinupuntahan nga dito, itong mga super trees na tinatawag. Ayan, meron din silang illumination ngayon. Ayan yan, may mga pailaw. Ayan, binigyan lang tayo ng 20 minutes para mag-picture-picture daw dito sa paligid. Tapos, ayun, maglalakad-lakad na kami kasama yung aming tourist guide. Kasi pupuntahan namin yung isang lugar kung saan pwede kami magstay and manood ng show mamaya ng mga super trees. Ayan, di bali nandito na kami sa spot kung saan kami pauupuin and manonood nga ng show ng mga super trees. And itong spot na to inilalaan talaga nila para sa mga tourists or mga nagtutour ng night bus tour. And ayan, maupo lang tayo dito tapos panonoorin lang natin yung lights show ng super trees. And yung isa naman sa mga trees dito, itong nasa gitna, isa yung observatory super tree kung saan pwede tayong umakyat dyan and makita natin yung view, 360 degree view ng paligid nitong super tree. Yun. Ayan, kakatapos lang ng ating tour and dito nga nagtatapos yan sa mga super trees dahil isa to sa pinakamagandang spot nga sa gabi. And ayun nga, ihatid tayo ng bus, hindi na mismo dun sa Suntec kung saan tayo sumakay. Ayun, so ang maganda rito sa Big Bus Tour, ayan, tinatanong nila isa-isa kung saan ang hotel namin. Tapos doon na lang tayo ibababa kung saan na pwedeng daanan ng bus nila. Kasi meron ditong tinatawag na Zone A, Zone B. So yung bus nila kasi isa Zone A lang dumadaan. Ayun, nagkataon naman na mayroong malapit na drop-off na malapit sa hotel namin. Kaya doon na lang kami bababa. Ibis, Selege,
Siligi. You stop at the nearest for you, Bencoolen MRT station.
Bangkura.
Hotel Rendezvous, Bencoolen Street. Okay.
Thank you.